Flax seeds are packed with health benefits, but it's essential to use them correctly to gain the best results. Today we will discuss the optimal way to consume flax seeds, including dosage, benefits, contraindications, and preparation methods. Let's start. Before adding flax seeds to your diet, it's important to know who should avoid them. Flax seeds may interfere with thyroid function, so those with thyroid conditions should avoid or consult a doctor. If you are allergic to flax seeds, do not consume them. If flax seeds cause gas or bloating, discontinue their use. Pregnant women should avoid flax seeds or seek medical advice. Avoid heating flaxseed oil, as it breaks down and can lose its benefits. To get the best results, start with a small amount and increase it gradually. Begin with half a teaspoon. Start with 1/2 teaspoon per day. If comfortable, maintain this for 5 to 7 days. If no issues arise, you can increase to 1 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon in the morning and 1/2 teaspoon in the evening. Do not exceed 2 tablespoons daily. 1 tablespoon of flax seeds contains 55 calories for 0.2 grams fat, 3 grams carbohydrates, 2.8 grams fiber, and 2 grams of protein. They are rich in both soluble and insoluble fibers, beneficial for gut health and digestion. According to Ayurveda, a healthy gut is central to overall wellness. Flax seeds are best consumed in the winter due to their warming properties. In summer, reduce the dosage to avoid overheating. Raw flax seeds contain phytic acid, which can reduce nutrient absorption. To neutralize this, soak flax seeds overnight, then tie them in a cloth until sprouted. This process removes phytic acid. Alternatively, you can also roast flax seeds on low heat to reduce phytic acid. After sprouting or roasting, grind flax seeds into a powder for easier digestion. Store in an airtight container in the refrigerator and use within 10 days for maximum freshness. For best absorption, consume flax seeds with fat, like adding them to milk, yogurt, or foods with natural fat content. Drink plenty of water as flax seeds absorb water and expand, which aids digestion and prevents constipation. Increase water intake to support their effects. Flax seeds help regulate cholesterol levels without raising them. For women, consuming flax seeds in the first half of the menstrual cycle can balance estrogen levels. Regular consumption of flax seeds supports bone strength and joint health. Flax seeds can ease PMS symptoms, cramps, and other menstrual discomforts. Flax seeds may help curb appetite and improve skin health, but they are most effective when combined with a balanced diet. Flax seeds offer a range of benefits, from digestive support to hormonal balance and bone health. By using them correctly and in the right dosage, you can enjoy their advantages fully. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe for more educational health-related videos like this.